Please turn your eyes to the stands, where the International Medical Students Block of Dai Nam University is making its entrance. They are bright young faces from the beautiful nation of India, representing 208 students who bring with them their own culture, language, and spirit, but the same pulse of intellectual aspiration, the pursuit of knowledge, and the friendship that transcends borders. Their presence today speaks to the growing prestige and global appeal of Dai Nam University, a place where learning knows no boundaries and friendship knows no color. And how fitting it is that only days from now, the Diwali Festival of Lights will shine across India. And tonight, that same light shines here at Dai Nam. The light of wisdom, compassion, and of a Dai Nam University that is increasingly integrated, humanistic, and shining